love that launch out the station. Just gets you in the mood for the thrills before you climb the lift hill here. It's got very nice comfy lap bars, Pégase Express. Not too restrictive at all. And of course we're going to be going forwards and backwards on this ride, and over the water, and a little show scene as well. There we go, what a view. Way back down to the car park here. Woo!
Oh non, on va repartir. Ah non, on fait tous en arrière.
Squirt with water a little bit there. Oh, it's such a fun ride. I do really enjoy that. It's nice and long as well. The show scene really makes it. We're going to get a bit of a geeky view now of the turntable here. Look at that. Switch track. What a great ride.